Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jolene and I make relaxed day videos here on YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you guys something a little bit different. I'm using this hook, which I actually didn't end up using, a rat tail comb, and these braids, which I'll talk about later in the video. So I went ahead and sectioned my hair into, I think it was basically 5 sections. I just continued along that line straight down to my ear, and then from that side I went over to the neck side and I'm doing the same thing. So I have 2 of kind of the same sections on either side, and then I have the middle up in a bun. And for the back section, I'm gonna try and make this as straight as possible, but it's not, but that's okay because ain't nobody seen in the back there anyways, so who knows, who cares. Anyway, so as I was saying, these braids are the Bobbi brown new Locs. Jolene, can you speak today? My goodness, these braids are the Bobbi Boss new Locs in the shade 1B. I bought them in a set. It was about like $30 US for a set of 4, and I was able to use basically all 4 packs. The last pack I actually had some braids left back. I think each pack has maybe about 20 braids or so. I think each pack has maybe about like 20 braids or so. I could be mistaken, but I'm just trying to compare the length here to see how it works in my hair. I'm just gonna go and come back and do it off camera because it really doesn't make any sense for me to do it on camera. So there you can see I'm basically done. It took me about like maybe 2 or 3 hours to do so. I kind of sectioned as I went along. So here I'm just showing you basically the last one I'm going to show on camera. I took the lock, and it's got these braids, like they're crochet braids, so you could basically use them to crochet your hair. Wow, Jolene, duh. Which is why I thought I would have needed the crochet hook, but that wasn't working out for me. So what I did with that section of hair, I parted my hair like if I was going to make a plait or a braid with that section of hair, and with the smaller piece I looped the new lock into that small piece. Can you see? Great. And then from there I just continue to braid it down, so it's basically going to be fixed to my scalp because it's been braided onto my hair, if you understand. So I'm gonna braid down the entire length of my actual hair, and they're gonna be like next to each other, but as you can see the lock is sticking up from there because basically it's fixed to my hair right now. So what I then did is like I unraveled it all the way down as I went along. And you see me wrapping it around my relaxer, and you see me like trying to separate it, and it's almost like I was kind of twisting it around. It wasn't perfect or anything, but like I didn't mind because I find like this really helps it to look like more natural. A lot of the crochet braids look kind of fake, and I don't really like that. Like if I wasn't relaxed, I feel I would be locked, but that's a lie because no, I wouldn't be. But still, I like having this option of, you know, having these braids. They don't look super real, that's the truth. I find they look very almost real. Like they don't look real like real locks, but they could almost pass. The end's kind of shiny, but for the most part, like it could kind of pass, and I really like it. I've been receiving a lot of compliments, and yeah, girl, that's how I did this. It took me maybe about like 2.5-3 hours in total, which is very rare for me, so you can definitely give this a try and let me know how that goes. That's it for my little, you know, showing what I did. This wasn't really a tutorial, it's just me showing you guys how I did my hair. Is really with that one strand. I hope you guys understand what I did in terms of fixing the braids in my hair and then wrapping it around so it will like blend with my hair, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. That's it for my little, you know, chit chat. Okay guys, so I should have made an outro, but I didn't because I forgot. So clearly someone needs to like remind me every week to make an outro because you guys deserve so much better. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If it is that you decide to maybe try this protective style, then just tag me on Instagram because I love to see how it turns out. As you can see, my braids are very lived in. I keep it real. Some of them are coming out. My relaxer is just slipping through. But you know, it just kind of, it adds to the look though. It's the rustic look, okay? Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend because you never know, maybe your friend wants to embrace her little lock stress, you never know. Leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so you will know every single time that I post. I'm gonna be posting again next week Tuesday. You guys can join me again next week Tuesday. I'm gonna have an outro because I'm gonna remember to make one, okay? Thank you very much. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are the absolute best. Always remember to stay hopeful, stay faithful, and stay loving. I'll see you guys in the next one. Blessings.